Our top story first. Parliament is once again set to witness heated debates and face-offs. From paper leak row to alleged misuse of ED and CBI, the opposition is fully geared to make itself heard. In the Lok Sabha, BJP MP Anurag Thakur is set to initiate the debate on the motion of thanks on the President's address. It will be seconded by Basudeb Swaraj. The Lok Sabha has allocated 16 hours for the debate on the motion of thanks, which will conclude with the reply by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday. In the Rajya Sabha, 21 hours have been set aside for the debate, and the Prime Minister is likely to reply on Wednesday. BJP hopes that opposition will cooperate in a healthy manner to ensure debate.
कि जनता ने अगर उनको चुनकर भेजा भी है तो चर्चा करने के लिए, मुद्दों पर बहस करने के लिए, लेकिन वो अपनी पुरानी आदतें छोड़ नहीं रहे। बहस करने की बजाय, चर्चा में भाग लेने की बजाय वो सदन में हल्ला करने आते हैं। मैं कई बार मन ही मन में सोचता हूं कि अभी तो मात्र 99 सीटें कांग्रेस को मिली हैं और पूरा विपक्ष को भी इकट्ठा मिला लें तो उससे ज्यादा अकेली भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सीटें। आखिरकार ये अहंकार किस बात का है? ये हो हल्ला क्यों है? ये हुड़दंगबाजी क्यों है?
Let me go across to my colleague Shivani, who joins us on the broadcast. Shivani, last week we saw nothing really happened in both the houses of the parliament. What can we expect today?
See, we saw a lot of disruption in both the houses of the parliament over the issue of NEET, where the opposition wanted to discuss the issue, and there was a letter written by the chairman, by Mallikarjun Kharge, the LOP of in the house of in Rajya Sabha, where he had written to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha to discuss the matters and to suspend all the business. But we have to see that there is a discussion planned on the vote of thanks of the president after her address, and that was scheduled to happen. That could not take place because of disruption in both the houses. Now today again, when the house will resume, it's expected that the opposition will raise the NEET issue. It will again would demand on the discussion on NEET issue, but we have to see how business of the house goes on, because 21-hour-long discussion on the vote of thanks on the president's address has to take place today.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us, Shivani. We'll get back to you for more details on the same story. Now, moving on from the opposition, Rahul Gandhi will participate in the Lok Sabha discussion on the president's address, followed by Sudeep Bandyopadhyay from TMC, Akhilesh Yadav or any other MP from SP, and TR Balu from DMK. Ahead of that, Rahul Gandhi, who recently became the leader of opposition in the lower house, shared a video message asserting that LOP is the strongest democratic tool every Indian has, and he will raise people's issues with full force in the parliament.
LOP आपकी आवाज है, आपका औजार है। अगर हम आपके लिए 2-3 चीजें कर सकें, सरकार के पर प्रेशर डाल पाए, तो हमें किस चीजों पे बोलना है?
अभी रीनीट कराओ तो इजी होता सर।
रीनीट, हिंदुस्तान के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हम जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे कि इस मुद्दे को हम जरूरी मानते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए हम नीट पर डिस्कशन करें। जो भी आपके दिल में भावना है, आपकी समस्याएं हैं, LOP के माध्यम से मैं लोकसभा में आपके लिए उठाऊंगा।